Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and again we have an inspiring student with us, Rachit Sharma, who has been selected for the 153rd course of National Defence Academy. He will be starting his training from January 2025. Rachit has been a student of Doon Defence Academy and he has prepared diligently both for written and SSP preparation from Doon Defence Academy. And today we will be sharing the journey of Rachit Sharma from a student and now he will be a cadet at National Defence Academy. Welcome Rachit to our show.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, congratulations to you. Qualifying for National Defence Academy is no small feat. How does it feel to have achieved this success?
It is a very proud moment for me, like sitting here and giving my some experience here, and it's a very proud moment. And also, I'm feeling very excited. Or
Naturally, you must be excited. And tell something about yourself, Rachit. From where do you belong? How did you came to know about Doon Defence Academy?
sir, I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I got to know about Doon Defence Academy from my senior of my school. He told me that it is a very good academy which can help me a lot to crack my NDA written, as well as it will help me in getting recommended from the SSBs.
Okay, and you are the first member from your family who will be serving the army, or any other member of family is in the armed forces?
I am the first.
You are the first member. That's nice, and your parents must be proud of you.
Yes, sir.
And what motivated you to join that? I'll join the Indian Armed Forces. What is the motivation behind your decision? Because there are many career options after class 12. But what triggered you that no, I have to give NDA, I have to prepare for NDA exam?
The first thing is I am quite fascinated by the uniform, and along with this, I have seen several soldiers or several videos on the YouTube as well as podcast, which motivated me to. And it will army also gives a natural life to you, as any sector doesn't give us. That's why I picked.
And you have got 134th rank. That's a very nice rank. And from which board you are recommended?
Sir, I got recommended from 22 SSB Bhopal this time, and the previous time I got recommended from 18 SSB Allahabad. But unfortunately, I got merit out that time.
Okay.
And now,
But this time
I am going to academy.
you are going to academy, and your training will be starting in January 2025.
Yes.
Now, many batchmates of Doon Defence Academy will be joining you in the National Defence Academy. You know, I have taken interview of few more students, and many more students are yet to come for the interviews. They will be with you in National Defence Academy as well. And Rachit, tell me about your strategies to crack the NDA examination and the program designed in Doon Defence Academy, the guidance of faculty, study material. Tell me about your strategies. What was your strategy for written examination, then for SSB?
Therefore, when I reached the Doon Defence Academy, I decided that I will prepare. I will crack the NDA exam by hook or crook at any cost. That's why I take some guidance by the teachers or the faculties of the Doon Defence Academy, and they also told me how to prepare, how to tackle the exam. Along with this, they also told me how we make a good schedule and a better schedule, which is very efficient for us. For this, firstly, I collected the syllabus or got to know the clear cut idea about the syllabus of the NDA exam, and then I divided the time period for the different subjects and my daily routine. Along with this, I also prepare for the current affairs by reading the English newspaper regularly, the Hindu, because it helped me a lot to improve my GS along with the current affairs part. And along with this, whenever I have doubts in maths or science, physics or GS, I got the doubt classes of the Doon Defence Academy, and the maths faculty Naveen sir helped me a lot in solving my doubts of maths. Because of him, I can say that I cleared the cutoff of maths and scored good marks in maths.
And which is your favorite subject?
And maths is my favorite subject.
And which subject did you find very difficult while preparing for the written examination?
Sir, everyone has a difficult subject for him, but for me, GS is the most difficult
GS
subject.
was the difficult, but you have anyhow.
Yes, sir.
cleared it. Okay, and what about the SSP preparation? You prepared for SSP from Doon Defence Academy. Tell us about, because SSP particularly is very challenging mentally, physically. It is very challenging. So how much the program which has been designed, the simulated, you have a GTO ground and all, how much it helped you when you went to Bhopal for the SSP? Things must have been easy.
Yes, sir.
So tell us something about SSP preparation of Doon Defence Academy.
Yeah. Whenever I cleared my NDA exam, I got to feel very happy that I have to prepare for SSB. It is to clearing the NDA written exam is also a big achievement for me and like a student like me. And for this, I attended the SSB classes of the Doon Defence Academy. When I attended the classes, I was even not aware about the what is the process of the SSB. And sir in the SSB classes told me especially about the process of the SSB, and they also tell how can we prepare for this. They also share some lecture topic to us, group discussion topics along with this. And psych ma'am also helped me a lot to improve my psych. In starting, my psych was not so good, or even if we can say my psych was bit bad a little bit. That's why, and they also whenever the SSB classes, my SSB classes got finished. Sir told me the schedule to follow, and they also told me how can you improve by yourself regular basis by practicing yourself at home. And also we make a WhatsApp group with my DDA friends to improve my communication skills, the interview as well as group discussion.
And it helped you a lot. And you followed the guidance.
Yes, sir. To get the success, it is very mandatory to follow to get a good guidance.
Good guidance, right? And one more question, which I often ask with every student whom I'm interviewing: what is better, offline coaching or online coaching? In your opinion, which is better? What will you prefer to the students? You suggest to the students who will be preparing for the examination in future?
According to my point of view, attending offline classes is better than online classes. Because in offline classes, it is easy for a student to maintain the consistency as compared to the online classes. And in the offline classes, we also get a feel and we get also connected with our teachers. It means they help. The teachers also work hard on the online platform, but on the offline, in the offline classes, they help a little bit more, and we get somehow we can get a more information or the more guidance from them.
And what is more difficult, written phase or SSP phase?
SSB phase.
SSB phase is more difficult. Yes. And how you are spending your days these days? You are taking care of your health.
Yes,
because
sir.
Physical fitness is important, you know.
Yes, sir.
And that is, and you have received your cash award.
Yes.
You have received your cash award. And any message you want to share with the future aspirants who want to achieve the same goal what you have achieved, to crack the NDA examination, do the training and served as an army officer? What message do you want to share with the?
I want to share that, sir, one who is preparing for NDA, firstly he have to maintain consistency, and firstly he have to maintain prepare himself mentally, because sometimes we have to face a lot of failures in our life, either it is in written or SSB. It is a little bit failure against a student. We have to face a lot of failures. Firstly, we have to, our moral should be high, and we have to maintain the consistency even our good or bad times. Sometimes we have to family pressure or the marks pressure. We have to maintain this and maintain our study in a sophisticated manner and make a good timetable for the efficient performance by us.
And that's a great message. As Rachit told, consistency, hard work and perseverance are key to success, which can turn your dreams into reality. So we will wrap up the episode. All the best, Rachit, for the NDA and beyond. This was for today. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.